What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitz in the building today with another recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make your foil paper wrap steamed fish. Yeah? So you can basically do this in the oven, and you can do it on top of the stove once you wrap it properly with your foil paper. So the reason why I'm doing this recipe today is because it's my dad's birthday. And my dad loves foil paper steamed fish. Once you wrap your fish with foil paper, him love it. Alright, especially the okra. Him always say okra good for your back, so make sure you eat your okra. So first we must say happy birthday, Dad. I hope you have a good day today. You see me? Alright, so stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you how to do the foil paper wrap steamed fish. And then I will take you through step by step, so stay tuned. Alright, so welcome back. So I'm going to walk you through my ingredients that I'm using. I have 2 red snapper here, nicely washed, cleaned down, soaked in vinegar. Anytime you soak your fish in vinegar, it tends to turn the eyes them white. Alright, it's not that your fish is stale, it's because you wash it with vinegar, so it turn the eyes them white. But if you buy it from the supermarket and you get it like this, that means your fish well stale. Alright, so you don't buy your fish when it's stale, or with these eyes you're gonna feel soft and all those things. Alright, so enough of that red snapper. So over here we have some bell pepper, we have some scotch bonnet that we chopped up, we have some green onion, we have some tomato, we have the the king of the day, some okra. We also chop up some nice white cabbage, we have some onion, we have some chopped pimento seed here, we have some carrot, also some garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, and some, there you have it, some nice fresh thyme. Alright, so first let's just basically season our fish. Alright, so we're going to use some black pepper, and we're going to sprinkle it on it. Alright, both sides. Doing so we take the time and we season our fish properly. Alright, black pepper, and then we're going to use a little bit of salt, about ½ teaspoon of salt. Don't want to over season our fish because we want our fish to taste nice. So black pepper and salt. Alright, so we are rubbing that, ensure that we rub it in nicely. Right, so we're going to use also a little bit of all-purpose, not a lot, but about ½ teaspoon, just to get a little flavor. ½ teaspoon. Good. So let's rub it in. Alright, as you can see, I have some slice on my fish. It's for where the seeds is supposed to go and help it to marinate and taste nice. Alright. Yeah, so ensure that you rub them in nicely and get it ready. Alright, good. So we're gonna put these aside, and then we're gonna bring all our seasoning together. So let's get our seasoning. We're gonna mix them up. We're gonna season our seasoning. So let's add a little bit of black pepper, about ½ teaspoon to your seasoning. Good. Add the garlic to it. Right. Pimento seeds. Right. And also add a little bit of all-purpose to it. Right. A little bit, not a lot, about ½ teaspoon. And we're going to mix up our seasoning together, yeah? Yeah, this is what we're going to use to stuff the fish. So we want our seasoning to mix up and look ready. Alright, mix them up nicely, man, because you're going to use all of this to stuff your fish. Alright? All of this. The beauty of the oven steamed fish. Alright? Alright. Alright, so also we're gonna add us an ounce of butter. We're gonna rub it in with your vegetable, yeah? It helps the flavor and it gives the fish a nice taste. Alright? So kind of rub it in. And all of this beauty we're gonna use and stuff our fish. And then we're gonna drop it in the oven and have it steam down for about 30 minutes. Yeah, about 30 minutes. Don't take so long to cook. Alright, so yes, we're rubbing our butter with it. Yeah man, smells so good. Alright, so let's set up our file now. Set up our file nicely to start stuff our fish. Alright, so here we have our fish on our file. We're using a piece of wax paper plus a piece of aluminum foil. Alright, the reason why I use the wax paper tends to keep your fish on a good level that it don't burn or anything. Even if the fire is too hot, it won't burn because the wax paper they're holding everything with the juice and everything. Alright, so over here we have our vegetable that we're going to use to pack our fish, and then we're going to fold our fish nicely in the file, and then we're going to put it in the oven. Alright, so start remove some of your vegetable. Alright, so you're stuffing your fish the entire inside with all the vegetable. Alright, stuff it the entire inside. All the vegetable. The okras, cabbage. So you can use cabbage, you can use callaloo, you can use spinach, any one of this. Alright, so we also put in some on top too, you know. Alright, kill it with vegetable. So the good thing about it, when you add your butter from early to your vegetable, you don't have to add any more butter because it's already in your vegetable. Alright, so this is our packet. Alright, so we're going to fold our file paper nicely and we're going to drop it in the oven. Alright, we're going to have it for about half an hour. Make sure that you fold it nicely because you don't want to lose any air. Alright? A nice fold. Alright? So this is number 1. So let's fold number 2. Alright? Alright, so as you can see, we're going to place our fish nicely in one of these aluminum pans. Like that. Take it to our stove. Good. So we're going to put it in the oven and let that steam for about 30 minutes. Alright? 30 minutes in the oven. Alright, so after 30 minutes, we take out our file paper steamed fish. File paper wrap steamed fish. Look at it. Look at how beautiful it is. All of these vegetables. Nice. Right? So just kind of... Wow, look at it guys. Looks so good. So wonderful. Yeah? Steamed fish are okra, you know, good for the back. Wow. Tastes so good guys. I hope you guys enjoy my cooking show today. As I said, this is my dad's special. Alright? So, me and my dad gonna enjoy this today. I hope you guys continue watch my cooking show. I'm out.